female is going to be the state test you're going to get. It's always going to be the female, always going to be on a mannequin. Okay? You need 4 washcloths. You need a dry towel. You need the absorbent pad and a bath blanket. You also need your bath basin with warm water and soap, which I already put in my room. Okay? So I'm going to come in, I'm going to knock on my door and tell my patient that we're going to give them perineal care, which is the groin. Yeah, okay. I'm going to lock my bed. I'm going to sit my stuff on this table here. I'm going to pull my curtain for privacy, wash my hands. Almost forgot my gloves. Oh, these are super big gloves, but that's okay. They'll work. I'm going to put my side rails up so that my patient's up to my waist. Because then I'm going to move them up, right? I'm going to put the bath blanket on my patient first. And I'm going to expose. I'm going to pull down the blanket so it's just their lower extremities I'm going to pull out, okay? I'm going to turn them onto their side because I'm going to put my absorbent pad underneath. Blue.
In the bed?
What?
They will be butt naked like that in the bed?
Yeah, they're going to have a gown on. The blue goes down, so you're going to put the pad underneath them in case you make a mess. You don't want to have to change the whole bed, right? Nobody wants to do that skill again. Okay, so I've got them all there. Okay, then I'm only going to expose as much as I need out. So I'm going to keep the top blanket over them, and I just want to see their groin. So I'm going to cover up their legs, right, so they don't have as much showing. I don't want everybody seeing everything they got. Everything they got, okay? Yeah, all the goodies. I'm going to take my first washcloth. We're going to put soap on it. Now you can do 2 buckets of water like we did with the bath, or you can do 1. If you put soap on the towel and you only have 1 bucket, you can't put the water back in there, right? Or the towel back in there. So you're going to do the 4 corners. You guys remember 4 corners? Or the mitten. You guys like the corners better, so we'll do the corners. You have to verbalize you're saying that you're opening or
Extract.
Nope. Spreading the labia, but it's like exposing the labia. Exposing the labia. You have to verbalize that you're somehow opening up the labia, okay? So first swipe with your towel with soap on it is going to be on the outside of the labia, okay? Second swatch is going to be down the other side of the outside of the labia. You're going to flip it, and while we've got the labia exposed, we're going to go down the inside lip. Then we're going to go down flip this and go down the other inside of the lip. Okay? All of this is from top to bottom, and each swipe is a new towel. If you don't do that, that's the critical element. It's from top to bottom. Each corner is a new part of the labia. Okay? Put that in the hamper. Over here. This next one is just water because we're going to do the exact same thing and rinse what we just washed. Okay? So you go down. You're going to swipe it. Go down both sides. You're going to go down the inside and rinse. Inside and rinse. Okay? Put it in the hamper. You're going to pat dry. Now we're going to turn our patient over because we have to get to their tush. What? I hear your question in your head. What if what? This third washcloth is with soap again. Remember, if you're going to get soap on it, don't put it back in your bucket, okay? It's going to be your 4 swipes again. You remember as a junior I told you front to back and up the crack. Yeah? Front to back and all the way up the crack. My little mannequin falls over. Front to back, up the crack. All 4 corners of the washcloth. Front to back, up the crack. We're gonna get just rinse washcloth, and you're gonna do the exact same thing. My guy's pretty much on his belly at this point. Front to back and up the crack. Okay, we rinsed him. Put it in the hamper. Now you're gonna dry his tush. Pat dry his tush. Put that in the hamper. Well, her tush, it's a whole combination. I'm gonna take the absorbent pad out. You guys are funny. Take the absorbent pad out and put it in the hamper. Okay, cover their gown back up. Take the blanket off and cover them back up. Make them all comfy. Put that in the hamper. Take my bucket and dump it and dry it out and put it away. Put the soap away. Take my gloves off. Wash my hands. Pull open the curtain. Put the bed back down. Put the rails down. Give them their call lights. And you're done.